Welcome back to Deep and Dead Off-Road, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Got something a little different for you today. Me and Eric both, well, me anyway, I've never had any audio in my X3. And Eric?
Yeah, mine, I had a decent system. It's just the factory junk that the KRX comes with, but now I'm down to one door speaker, so yeah, nothing any count.
Yeah, and the people over at KSpeaker reached out to us on one of our videos and wanted to know if we wanted to try out one of their sound, or actually two of their sound bars, and they were nice enough to send them to us. Check them out, review them. So we're going to do a little unboxing for you here, and hopefully a little bit of installation stuff, and then some reviews afterwards. So
yeah, they sent a k66 Max, and this is going to go into Can-Am Brandon's ride, and they also sent us a k100. I'm going to put that in my ride because my cage, I need something smaller, but yeah, they were nice enough to let us try out both styles. So shout out to KSpeaker, and we're going to unbox. We'll be back in a second.
Yep. All right, guys, we're back. We got it unboxed. The shipping, this thing came super fast, by the way, and also it come packaged really nice. It had a lot of foam in it, and it's not going to get broken. It was double boxed, so it actually was, I was pleasantly surprised at how well it was packaged. So, and then we've got all the stuff out here. Eric can kind of go over with you a little bit about what you get in the box. It's got everything you need.
Yeah, your main harness is here attached to the sound bar. Looks like you can quick plug it, so if you need to unplug it for whatever reason. Power, ground, very simple to hook up. It's also got an inline fuse. It comes with many different styles of clamps, 2 remotes, looks like safety cables, just in case. Your tools, even comes with 2 batteries, spare parts.
A big old bag of zip ties.
Yeah, zip ties.
And the clamps are really nice, and they're rubber coated also.
Yeah. Yeah, it even comes with extra rubbers. I mean, it's, yeah, I don't see anything you would need that it does not come with. And pretty heavy too. I mean, it's definitely not a cheapo. So yeah, we're gonna, I guess, look at the instructions, and
it does come with a real nice instruction pamphlet there. Tells what you in the box, and
gives you the description of the parts,
and gives you really good diagrams about how to hook it up. So it doesn't look like it'll be very hard anyway, but it's nice of them to include that. So
there's your mounting options. So yeah, I guess we'll kind of tear into this, and we'll do some updates as we get it installed, and yeah, we'll cut back here in a minute.
All right.
Alrighty, just showing you kind of step by step here. We got these mounts here on, how they go on. Slide them on. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different holes. It's got 4 here in the middle and 5 holes over there, so it's very adjustable. 2 bolts in. You got a rubber cap here. Also, it looks like to me, if you have something small like a golf cart, you can actually Velcro. You've also got safety cables for those just in case moments, but safety cables, they actually bolt on. Just a safety feature there that's actually pretty freaking awesome. And over here, we do have the clamps lightly mounted, so we'll have to adjust these when we put the soundbar actually on, but they are in place, and we'll get her hung, and we'll be back here in a second.
Yep, and the clamps mount to the bar with some U-bolts that are provided in there.
Yeah, let me get these out here. Yeah, U-bolts for the clamps, so also a very nice feature.
Heck yeah. All right, guys, we're back with you. We've got it pretty much all installed. Eric's going to walk you through a little bit of the what you have left and the installation.
Yeah, here's all the parts we had left. Everybody's different, but like I said earlier, we had 2 remotes. Got an extra U-bolt left because we only done just 2 mounts on one on each side. You could do 3 if you wanted to, but heck, the mounts are so tight
Yeah, it's super solid.
Yeah, I don't see no reason to do two. It comes with every single tool you need. Go over here and show you how you connect it. Yeah, just one positive on the battery, one negative on the battery. We'll button all this wiring up once we're completely done. Up here you can see the clamps. We chose to put the nuts and the washers on the back side, but we put them through here. Nice rubber. This sucker is freaking sturdy with just 2 clamps on it. You do have controls here in the middle. Bring me over here. Try to point stuff out here at the back. Your power wire comes out the back. We just ran across here, down between the harnesses. Here's your dongles. I think it's auxiliary in, auxiliary out, and there's your USB here. And
they even left some good music on a USB in there for you to test it out on.
Yep, the USB is fully loaded. It seems like with music already. So
yeah, and then we hooked it to my phone, Bluetooth, and man, that bit connected right away. Super easy.
Yeah, like 1 second for the connect on the Bluetooth.
Yeah, it was super fast and easy. You just hit that BT button, isn't it, Eric?
Yes, yep, BT for Bluetooth.
There's a Bluetooth button up there. You just hit that and then get in your settings in your phone and get your Bluetooth and hit it, and it connected right away. So super easy.
Scale 1 to 10 on your, I wouldn't call it a cheap sound bar, but you know what I mean. Not going to mention no brand names. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah,
on price point. Yeah, I'm actually thoroughly impressed.
Yeah, it really gets super loud. A lot louder than I thought it would. I was kind of worried about whether I'd be able to hear it on a ride. There's no question you will.
Yeah,
so.
and if you're sitting here in the back seat, it's loud.
Yep. Play a little clip for you and do a little rock around of it while it's running.
This is a no copyright song, so maybe not the best song in the world, but yeah, we'll play a little snip here. Options for your lighting. You can change the lighting up on it. Colors, patterns.
Looks pretty good, folks.
All right, in closing, guys, like I said, I gave it a 10 out of 10. Man, I don't know.
So I'm super impressed with it, guys. I mean, I don't know if you. To me, this is like maybe a budget sound bar that comes in above budget sound. Honestly, it gets super loud. There is some bass in it. It's not super bassy, but I believe there's a way you can actually.
Yeah, your auxiliary out. You can put if you want to, put an amp on it.
And add
external sub.
Yeah. So I mean. Guys, if you're looking for a good sound bar that's not going to break your wallet, KSpeaker is definitely the way to go.
Yeah.
K66 Max, and we've partnered up with them also to save you some money. They're going to sponsor our channel. Use code DNDOR for Deep in Debt Off-Road at checkout, and you'll save $20. So take advantage of that if you need a sound bar. Check them out. They also have motorcycle speakers, I believe.
Yeah, I think that's where they started at, motorcycle speakers, and they just moved into the sound bar. It seems like, I don't know, maybe mid-year last year. So they're still a new company. So yeah, like I said, I'm impressed.
Yeah, we're impressed with them. So check them out. Again, that code's DNDOR, and save yourself $20. So all right, I think that's about it for now.
Yep.
Peace
out.
What's up, guys? Second day of installing some KSpeaker stuff. So We got mine installed yesterday. Man, we're thoroughly impressed with it. We took it on a ride on my X3. Took it well over highway speed, and you can still hear it clear as can be. So yeah, it's an excellent bar. We were really impressed.
Yeah, I was thoroughly impressed with it. So.
It's really solid too. The mounting doesn't move at all.
You rode it last night?
Yeah, I rode it last night, and man, the lights in it look freaking awesome. It does different designs and movements on it, and it just looked super cool. And it really meshed well with my rock lights and my whip lights too. So yeah, freaking awesome unit. Now we're here today. We've got which one is
K100.
K100. We're going to try to get it installed on Eric's machine. So we're going to do a full unboxing on this one for you. So here we go.
Yep. I do have the tape cut, but here's how well it's packaged. Yeah, you see inside there, styrofoam all around it.
Yeah, the packaging is excellent, folks. So you don't have to worry about it getting messed up.
Hardware all in a bag. Instructions. Like I said, this is the smaller one, the K100. You gotta expect smaller sound out of a smaller bar and less wattage. So, but he wanted us to try both. So yeah, we'll give them both a shot. Looks like you got your clamps, wiring, 2 remotes in the K100 also. Zip ties, and looks like your bolts. And we'll get this all opened up, and we'll be back here in just a second. All right, we got it all unboxed here. This one here looks like it's got 4 mids, a tweeter on each end, so 2 tweeters. Your power in goes here, auxiliary in here, auxiliary out. It's also got waterproof covers on it. If you want to put a USB in, they actually go here. So you got your USB MP3 input there. You got several mounting options all through here. And then I guess if you lose your remote, like I said, it does come with 2. Lose your remote, you can adjust everything here. Wiring harness, extra bolts. There's your 2 remotes. And here's your actual brackets for mounting on your cage. And then nice instructions, just like the other one we tried out yesterday.
These instruction manuals are so much better than some I've seen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very easy to understand.
Yeah, for sure.
So we are going to get this thing, get it wired up on my battery, and we'll be back here in a second.
All right, guys, we've got Eric's installed here. He's going to take you through a little bit of the installation and show you a little bit on it.
Yeah, literally, once we got everything laid out, this thing took, what, 15 minutes to install?
Probably, yeah. Super easy.
Super simple. I do have aftermarket stuff. Ground on your battery, positive on the battery. Here's your inline fuse. I just kind of have everything laid in here for now. Ran the wiring up. You literally just plug it in. Here's some mounting on the K100. Now I do have an aftermarket cage, so I got very little room up here, so I had to mount mine here. Completely fine to mount it upside down, so it doesn't affect anything. So,
yep.
But yeah, very simple installation. Find the remote. And again, we've already listened to this thing. I didn't expect much for half the soundbar that the K66 is, but this is another, man, I'm just totally impressed. size, like I said, for the money, yeah, KSpeaker's a win-win in my book. I don't know, it's just, I'm totally amazed.
If you're gonna rate this one, I mean, for the size, I think it's 10 out of 10 also.
I think it's a 10 out of 10 for the size and the price aspect. I mean, it is.
These are both super affordable, whether you, I mean, I'm honestly, this one blows me away more than the other one. I wasn't expecting
any bass at all.
Yeah, and
this does have, I mean, it's got some bass to it. So.
Yeah, it sounds
Oh, this one here has, looks like 4 mids, and then you got 2 tweeters on the end. That's all there is to it. And this is also metal construction, it's not plastic. I mean, everything is solid.
Yeah, it's got solid mounting points.
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna ever have to worry about anything coming loose.
It ain't gonna break. It ain't gonna break in a rollover unless you hit it on a tree or something. So.
Yep. Looks good stuff, especially for the money. Yeah. Good value, good sounds. So, I definitely check out KSpeaker. We'll post a link. I think our website will be launching soon. We'll have a link for their store on our website, and make sure you use code DNDOR. That's DNDOR for Deep and Dead Off-Road. It'll save you $20. I think that works even off a sale price.
It does work on the sales. He's already got our code active, and it does work on even sale items. So.
Yeah, so make sure if you're looking to add some sounds to your side-by-side or golf cart or
anything
they
really.
Make
motorcycle speakers. I mean,
yeah, make sure you check them out and use our code and save a little bit of coin.
Yeah, and thank you, KSpeaker, for the opportunity to test out 2 of your products. Not just 1, but 2. I mean, that's
yeah, it was awesome. We
must
really
be
we really appreciate it. So sounds good, man. I don't know what else to say. Like I'm kind of speechless, really, honestly.
Blown away.
Good stuff. So all right, well,
thanks for tuning in.
Yep. Till next time. Peace.